Now we know that Tesla absolutely destroyed that expectation for the vehicle delivery in Q1 2021 with almost 185,000 vehicles delivered and over 180,000 vehicles produced in Q1 alone. Now here is the question, how will the Tesla stock react on Monday when the market will open after that long weekend? After that huge news came out from Tesla, Jim Cramer responded to a tweet which said Tesla stock could jump to 1,000 very soon and could cross over 1,200 in next year. And Cramer replied by saying, aggressive but not out of the ballpark. Looking at his reply, I don't think Jim Cramer says that Tesla is stuck hitting 1,000 anytime soon. But we all know who Jim Cramer is and what he thinks about Tesla. We all heard what he said after Cathie Wood's $3,000 price target for the stock. Alright, so in this video I'm going to cover 2 points. First of all, a little bit about Q1 deliveries and what to expect for the rest of the year. And finally, a small technical analysis. But before that, you should know I'm not a financial advisor, so you must do your own research before you invest. Trading 212 link is down in the description. If you fancy a free share worth up to £100, all you gotta do is follow to the link, register and then deposit at least £1. We both get one free share each worth up to £100. Okay, so Tesla delivered 184,800 vehicles in the first quarter of 2021. They produced 180,338 vehicles in the quarter, all of them being Model 3 and Model Y. They also delivered 2020 Model S and Model X from the inventories. I think the Wall Street expectation is far below from this number, which was around 170,000 vehicles. The company didn't produce any Model S and Model X because they're bringing both models in the new version with new equipment installed in the car. Now I think I'm more confident that Tesla will deliver 1 million cars this year, or at least close to 1 million. We all know that first quarter is always the worst for Tesla, but here, unlike before, we have a massive strong first quarter. If you see the chart, then you can realize every first quarter is lower than the previous fourth quarter. From 15 to 16 decline, from 16 to 17 slightly up, from 17 to 18 literally same, from 18 to 19 massive decline, again 19 to 20 another decline. On top of that, we have two new gigafactories coming to production this year. Giga Berlin probably in the second quarter of this year and Giga Austin probably at the fourth quarter of this year. And it is also reported that Giga Shanghai could deliver over 500,000 cars this year, including both Model 3 and Model Y. Model Y is getting absolutely crazy in China, so Model Y could become the Model 3 of 2020. So regarding all the information we have so far and obviously looking into the number from the first quarter, I think the company can do that. Tesla can deliver over 1 million cars this year. But this is just my opinion. Okay, now quickly let's look at some technical analysis. Before saying anything, I want to make sure that I'm more into fundamental and I do really technical analysis. So my analyses are based for long terms, not for the day trading ones. Alright, so we closed the previous trading day on 661. The nearest resistance level looks at around 690 to 700. And I think there is a very high chance that Tesla stock could open higher than 690 on Monday. The support line is located at around 600 level, but we can also see that the stock is moving on a bull trend. We can see that the stock is making higher lows here and here. I think the stock keeps trading sideways for another few weeks, then we might see a massive breakout here. Like we have seen back in October, November here, the stock traded sideways for nearly about 3 months. And then the massive breakout here all the way to here. The similar pattern is forming here, but you can see the tail of this arrow is slightly bigger than here. But like I said, if the stock trades sideways somewhere about here or here, then we might see a massive breakout. Also back in September, October, when the stock was trading sideways, the stock was continuously forming the higher lows from here, you can see here. And again here the stock is making higher lows. We might see some another higher lows somewhere about here and then boom. And let me tell you, there is also possibilities of stocks opening lower tomorrow, even though we had amazing achievement from the company. As we know that treasury yield and Nasdaqs are trading opposite. So if the bond yield rises tomorrow, then we might see Nasdaq going to the different direction like we've seen in the previous weeks. I think it is fair to say that Tesla proves to be the company which never stops surprising us. And of course, the Tesla stock is the most exciting stock of this generation. With that all being said, it's time to close the video, but thank you very much for watching my video. Invest safely as always and see you in the next video.